how can you automatically include the user's query into the ad copy? So the easiest way to do that is by having a dynamic keyword insertion string in your ad. So if that user's query matches your keyword, then that will automatically include in the ad. There is a Google Support Center. Hold on a second. Let me dig it out, and I'll put it in the comment. It's called dynamic keyword insertion. Setup. Yeah, there it is. Okay, I'm putting this in the description, and I'll bring this over here as well. So setup keyword insertion, and this is how you do that. It's the curly bracket. Where is it gone? There. It's like that. So you have a default text. So if the query does not match your keyword, then obviously the default keyword which you have put over here will be shown in the ad. So it's very straightforward, and all the instructions are over here for you to insert the query in the ad copy.